If you're yet to ride an e-scooter, you may be wondering what all the fuss is about and why we're seeing more and more of them here in Australia. From our urban centres to our suburban streets, e-transport is fast becoming the vehicle of choice for riders of all ages. So what are they, and why are so many people adopting things like e-scooters as their preferred mode of transport? Electric or e-scooters are simply everyday scooters that are powered by a battery, and rather than you pushing off every other second to get where you need to go, a motor spins the wheels for you, allowing you to reach higher speeds and travel more kilometres over different terrains. Many e-scooters have smartphone connectivity too, which allow you to track stats, check the battery life, and update firmware when needed. For urban dwellers looking to avoid congested city streets, owning an e-scooter is an excellent alternative to a car for the commute or trip to the shops, cafe or workplace. And for public transport users, the run to the office or home is made significantly easier with an e-scooter. The foldable light design means they can comfortably fit on a bus or train or tucked away under a work desk, charging for the ride home. The main cost of owning an e-scooter is the scooter itself. Once you've got that, there really isn't any major cost to consider outside of occasional maintenance. You don't need to worry about insurance, license renewal fees, or fluctuating petrol prices. Any spare parts you need are small enough to tuck away in a cabinet for a rainy day. But many e-scooters come with pneumatic, puncture-resistant tyres, so a quick pump up every other month should suffice. Combustion engine transport in Australia is a major source of greenhouse emissions, and close to 90% of commuters use a car at some point of their journey to work. Outside of the manufacturing process and the production of the electricity used to power them, e-scooters emit no emissions at all, minimising your carbon footprint, and as a result they help reduce road traffic congestion too. One of the best things about owning an e-scooter is how fun they are. Taking to the streets on an e-scooter is not only addictive, but it unlocks a nostalgist in all of us and makes that trip to the shops an adventure in itself. Whether you're a solo rider or have a family and friends alongside you, e-scooters are the perfect solution for convenient travel or just to burn a few hours on the weekend. Each state and territory in Australia has a different set of rules and regulations pertaining to the usage of e-scooters, e-boards and e-bikes, including where e-scooters, e-boards and e-bikes can legally be used and whether these products need to be registered with the relevant road traffic authority. Any user of this product must ensure that they check and abide by their local bylaws and use responsibly. Ride with caution and always wear a helmet and protective gear when riding your e-scooter, e-board or e-bike. At JB, we've got a huge range of e-scooters, e-bikes and e-go-karts, but they're not all available in store, so make sure to check them out online. So to find the perfect e-scooter for you, pop by your local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.